Oh my gosh. Train. Yeah, they're probably like, what the hell is that random guy doing? Oh my god. Look at his paddle. Oh my god. Is your car like gonna break after this? Oh my gosh. Kind of feels like we're in a boat because we're just spraying everywhere. The platform is like re-sprouted. Oh god. Here we are at General Motors Station. The day of the snow train. So anyway, we're here. Look at it. Oh, look at the, oh, it's so bumpy. Oh, it's bumpy, but we're here. We're here at General Motors. Oh, I'm gonna drop my phone. Better come back inside. Floyd, there's literally an ocean over here. Okay, you probably shouldn't go through that.
I'm not going to.
There's literally an ocean over there. Okay, we're turning around.
Thankfully, this car has low gears.
Okay, yeah, good. Really scared. If the train comes past when we're doing this, I'm gonna flip out. As you can see, the jobby cam is up there. The jobby cam, the little jobby cam's up there. So we're gonna capture an awesome above shot. Oh shit! And we did it all through the Wi-Fi. I'm getting stuck in these bloody blackberry bushes. Okay, we got her on, kind of kick into high gear now. Okay, that is not going there. That's just way too bumpy, and I don't want to break my phone. That's a cool shot anyway. Sounds rolling. The train is like so coming, like right now I can hear the horns. We've got 3 different camera angles set up. We've got to go through all these really spiky bushes to get back. But hopefully it should be worth it, because it's going to be cool. Is it coming, Floyd? Is it coming? Okay. End class! What? It's going so slow. Wave. Floyd, wave. Hello. Awesome shot. Where is the steam train? This is not immersive, Floyd. We're running back to the iPhone to make sure it's still filming because it doesn't have enough room because Floyd didn't clear it out as I instructed last night. Okay, the train is like literally there, we can see it. And I'm like not in the prime spot to film. I probably will get there in time, but it's gonna be close. Oh shit, it's coming. Ah! Oh god. I'll make it, I'll definitely make it, but don't like leaving it this close. At least you know the iPhone will capture good footage.
Nope.
Alright. It's a moment of truth, Floyd. Goodbye, General Motors Station. Hello to Rogan. Damn! That was so cool! There's like soot in my eyes now. Oh, that's so cool. You can see the smoke going all the way down the train track. Look at that. It's working! How does it feel, Floyd? Louder! Ah! Just say something quotable. Just go. Good. Floyd's now descending the staircase with the Xiaomi Yi in hand. Captured an epic above shot. That was sweet. Where's the train? Hello. Oh, it didn't even wave back. What a dog. And away it goes. What a dog, he didn't even wave. He just ignored me. I almost got run over by that train, that's why he's really mad. Oh god. There it goes, he's mad. Sorry, Comeg! Oops. It's not stoked. I was like, hey, I'm gonna go into the middle of the tracks and get a photo. I couldn't see what was coming. Well, I mean, I could totally see it. I was just a complete idiot. I can't see what's coming from that way. So that almost ended badly, but I was here though. I was here, so even if it did go past here, I would have been fine. But yeah, it wasn't an issue. This all used to be like another train track here. Oh, there's my tripod. Yay! Grab. Love this tree. Thrown out. Fatal fibro. Wait, is it sitting there?
It's just sitting there. But I just walked out and then
Oh shit, apparently there's like a Comeg sitting right, like it's sitting, it's parked.
It's an Elstone.
Oh shit, Floyd, I think we should probably go. I think.
Here it comes.
Oh, it's coming?
It's coming.
Okay, sit down, sit down. Okay, it's coming. I don't know if it's pissed off at us. Oh no, the person's like fully. There's so many people on the trains and they're. Oh, they're going so slow. We might as well stand up now because we're gonna get arrested or something. Look how slow. Look how slow it's going. This person is not taking any chances. This is fatal as.
It looks like a really young driver.
It was like a grizzled kind of like 40-year-old lady. That's what I saw.
Oh, was it?
Okay, Flo, I really think we should go. Like they're not happy with us being here. There's another comment coming. We should go after this.
Probably.
Because, you know, they're really not hyped. Yeah, so they've obviously gone on the radios and been like, oh, there's people here, watch out. And like they've been going slow, but now they're really scared. You can hear it. Can you hear the comment? Is it going really slow? It sounds like it's going really slow. Oh, actually, no, this one sounds like it's going fast. See, and that one doesn't even care. Wow. One of the people was like going snail pace and that person doesn't even give a crap. You know, it's definitely been radioed in and people are getting mad. But you can go up if you want. Do you want to go up from the stairs?
We're just like
Quickie. Okay, no one coming this way. No one coming this way. There's one thing being on the station, and there's another really big thing going up in here because this is really dangerous up here. So it's not really advised to go up, and it's very rusty and the wood is rotten. This is like some serious FAGBEXER right now. Get ready for it. Look how rotten the wood is. I'm just standing on the beam, holding on to this for dear life. Oh, it's cool up here though. These beams are so rotten. Shit, that one's completely fallen off. Oh, this is cool. This is such a cool view up here. How is it, Floyd? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Freaking out there. See the staircase down there? See the top of the tree that protrudes. I think this wood's safe. I've seen way rottener wood. Let's still keep to the sides though. There's like some guy over there with a clipboard. It's got a bit ominous. See, now that's the ramp that went down into the general owner's factory. Bit of a pan. Alright, I've seen way more rotten wood than this. Up here it's fine. I don't know why. Yes, this would have been another siding here. Lichen's only growing in the middle. Do you think that's because people like walk on the side to be safe? Or that's just cool? you doing? Loud, I can't hear.
I'm going to do a quick program behind that.
What are we looking at, Foot? Comic. Goodbye, General Motors. Goodbye, General Motors Station. For now, we'll probably come and urbex you again at some point. Massive puddle. Let's do it. Hit it, Floyd. That's way too far. What the? Whoa! This is severe. It's like we're in a flood. Lovely little arms. So it's been about 5 minutes since I've been splashed, and my pants are really starting to smell. It smells like fish and dirt and vomit. It just smells so gross.